Start from here, upper line, like this. Next, chest. Huh? So no strokes are involved, right?
You should not touch the line, sir.
Which one? You should touch. You should touch.
You should touch.
Yes, yes. Yes, fine, fine. Huh? That's also fine. But easy way, which one is? Without full stop a sentence, without the death of a person is useless. Every person should die. There should be a full stop. The death day is it's a confirmed. So full stop is compulsory. Graham Bell. Graham Bell.
Myself Lalita from Viramgada branch. I have come here to learn the calligraphy writing. So when I have started from the Viramgada, I thought that what I'm going to learn over here. So when I have reached here, I have learned many things. In the calligraphy, I have learned strokes, different kinds of strokes. Have taught me different strokes which I have missed the first session. First when I came here, I have missed the first session which was the strokes. So when I copied from my teachers, so later on when I learned strokes, I have learned many sentences in that which were very useful. So when the sir was, Buchi sir, when he was explaining on the board, he have explained clearly by the strokes, like when he was writing each and every letter, he was explaining with strokes. So which was very useful session, and even I have improved my writing very well, which I am going to show you right now. This was the first writing which I have written. So later on when I have written 2 or 3 pages, the writing has been improved. So this writing, calligraphy writing which is very important and useful for everyone. So I request each and everyone to attend this session without any fail, which is very useful for us, the other teachers, and for the kids and for the future kids. So I request everyone to attend this session without any fail. The teachers who have not attended, it's very upset because I have learned many things. So each and everyone can learn the many things in the calligraphy. Different types of strokes and different types of letters, and different kinds of sentence where we need to touch the line, different kinds of lines, upper, middle, lower, and this all. So the strokes which I have learned, which is very useful. I request everyone to attend this session without any fail, and heartfully I thank for the Reddy sir, which he have taught me different strokes and different kind of calligraphy and bold, italic, and many writings, which he have taught me and I have learned, and this is the second time which I am attending his calligraphy writing. So thank you Reddy sir from the bottom of my heart.
Good evening, I am Sudharani. I am working in Krishna Talent School. I am from Nagar branch. Actually today we have attended for calligraphy training session in head office. Actually when morning I came, I thought that what sir will teach. But after coming here, after seeing the Buchireddy's training session, I was very happy that I can learn many things. But even it is helpful to my school teachers and my children also. And morning I have written like this, where I have shown. It is not good actually, but morning I have written like this. I was little worried whether I can do it or not. But later on, coming to the end of the session, I have changed my handwriting. Even I am very fond of my handwriting also. But after seeing Buchi Reddy sir training session, I am very happy regarding this training session. And I would like to thank a lot to Buchi Reddy sir. And I request to conduct more sessions like this to Buchi Reddy sir. Thank you for everything.
I'm from Reddy branch. Today I have valuable section because from when I come to here, I think that it is okay how we change in one day the writing. But due to the Buchi Reddy sir, we learned so many of things and my handwriting changed well. Once you can check from first onwards, little bit changing. You can see so many of changes. Sir told that I'll change your fate at afternoon, but morning only my fate has changed. So I have to change my children's fates from tomorrow onwards. Thank you.
Good evening all. Today we had an excellent program as Lucida handwriting, which was taken by Buchi Reddy sir. I am very thankful to him. And we have learned with his guidance a beautiful handwriting, and which was very useful for our children, and we can hope that all the English teachers of my school and all the EVS teachers of my school learn this for the betterment of the children. And I thank my principal madam for giving me this opportunity, and I thank all my in-charges.
A very good afternoon. I am Abdul Wasim from Krishnaveni Talent School, Shahinagar branch. Today, as we have gathered here for calligraphy session, we have learned so much from Buchi Reddy sir. Inshallah, we will try to implement it in our school among the teachers as well as the students. Thank you.